back again with more videos, more strategy. So you'll these levels are, first of all, make sure that okay, we come back again. So we make sure strategy for today is one of the most powerful trading strategies. Back again with more videos, more strategy. You can see on the screen we have, this is Nasdaq market. I'm gonna delete some of the tools that I was using previously. So these tools are very important. Okay, I did delete them. So I'm gonna show you the powerful trading strategy that you can use in order to become a successful trader. This is the only way to become successful trader. Let's get into business. Click the plus sign and then you choose Fibonacci retracement. After choosing a Fibonacci retracement, we're gonna use a monthly chart. So we'll apply the levels of Fibonacci. We will start from 0, which is very much important. Then we will, after starting from 0, we'll make sure that okay, we come back again. So we make sure that we end with 400 and something, which means we use the last number. So okay, it's 423. Yes guys, yes, I applied the level of Fibonacci levels, which are the most important levels in trading. So these levels are going to act as support and resistance area. They're very important when it comes to trading. So you can see on the screen this level of Fibonacci are going to act as support and resistance levels. So this level of Fibonacci are very important when it comes to identifying the buyer's area, identifying the seller's area. So in this case, you can see on the screen we have a very great market with great potential. So first of all, we're gonna analyze the candlestick. That is the strategy. You analyze the type of candlestick you are going to trade. In this case, I'm gonna use a daily chart. You can see we did have a doji candlestick, the doji candlestick, this one, and we did have another doji candlestick, doji-like candlestick. It was bullish, but it's still doji. So we have a strong bearish candlestick, which is a strong bearish or a strong sell, a red candlestick or a seller's candlestick. So we did have a hanging man candlestick in the middle of actually a downward trend, a reversal, a new trend, actually a new trend, a new trend. So we will try to reach at least this level, which is the very important level of Fibonacci levels. This level is going to be a buyer's area. So it's going to be used as a buyer's area. This one, the other one. This one is going to be used as resistance area. So we did analyze the type of candlestick. We found out that this market has not, the market is not interested in going up. So we are going to touch at least this level. This is what is going to happen. We're gonna try to retest this level. This is how I see. So we'll retest this level. After retesting, we'll turn back like this, guys. We'll turn back like this. Then we can use the 4-hour chart to analyze. Let me delete. I want to delete this thing. Okay. I want to delete. Okay. So we use the 4-hour chart to get a good entry point. And for now is going to be a sell until that level that I mentioned. After reaching that level, the market will turn and go back up. That is how we trade, guys. We're gonna analyze another chart, which is a weekly chart. You can see on the weekly chart. I'm going to delete this. So on weekly chart, we can see that we do have this type of candlestick is a shooting star candlestick. This is a reversal. Actually, it's a reversal pattern showing us that sellers are more interested into the market. So we will come back it down no matter what, whether we like it or we don't like it, because the market is showing us that we have to come back down. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're making videos like this. It could really help us to grow. Today's sponsor, we're sponsored by Vault Market. So Vault Market is one of the best broker on my YouTube channel. Click the arrow on description. You'll see this is a South African broker, one of the best. Just click on the link, it will direct you to their website. Minimum deposit is just 50 rand. You can start trading with just 50 rand and you can make a lot of money with this broker. It's the best of the best. Vault Market, the best of the best. Just fill in your name, your surname, and your cell phone number and the country that you come from, and accept the terms and conditions. This is a very nice broker when it comes to trading Nasdaq market and currencies, and for strategies like trading strategy. This broker is the best of the best. So thank you, Vault Market. So you can see on the screen we are continuing trading. I'm just trading a small account actually. So I did place my trade on Nasdaq, but I'm waiting for the market to go up, more up, so that I can get a good opportunity to sell Nasdaq at least to this level or this level. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. We really appreciate for trading. That's why I'm going to show you this strategy here on YouTube. Click the subscribe button, click the like button. That could really help us to grow. Let's get into the business. Before we get into the business, we're gonna use the levels of Fibonacci levels. We click here, click the plus sign. Actually, you click, let's say on the chart, you click, then you will see the instruments. We're gonna use the Fibonacci levels. You choose a Fibonacci retracement. You choose. So I'm gonna draw these levels starting from. I'm gonna change the time frame because the time frame must be at least a monthly chart. We apply. We keep applying. from 0, then before, then yes, we have applied our important levels of Fibonacci. These levels of Fibonacci can act as support and resistance. What is support and resistance? A resistance is where sellers have been reversed. You can see the reversal. You can see that market did reverse here. This is a resistance level. This is a seller's zone. Actually, resistance level is a seller's zone. So support area is a buyer's zone. You can see this is a buyer's zone. This is a buyer's zone, guys, on the screen. And the good thing about this buyer's zone is also a level of Fibonacci level. You can see this is a level of Fibonacci levels, and we do have a moving average. So this strategy that I'm going to show you here is being used by professional traders all over the world. Professional traders use this strategy in order to make a lot of money. This strategy is the best of the best, can be used in any type of trading around the world. This strategy can make you a lot of money if you apply it in a correct way. So you're gonna use these important levels that I've shown you, the support level and resistance level, together with different types of candlestick. In this case, we're gonna use a daily chart and enter our trade on an hour chart. Actually, 4-hour chart. I like 4-hour chart. It's much more interesting than 1-hour chart. So on the screen, we can see that we did have at least 2 doji candlestick. You can see on the screen. Sorry about that. So you can see we did have at least 2 doji candlestick. These doji candlesticks are the most important candlestick. In this case, they have shown us that the market is getting weaker and weaker. We can see the first doji, it shows us the market is going to reverse. It's actually a warning sign, and also it's also a good signal when it comes to selling. So we have another doji candlestick, which is a small bullish doji candlestick. It did help us to be accurate whether the market, it was actually confirmation whether the market is going to reverse or not. In this case, the market did reverse. You can see we did have a very strong, actually bearish candlestick. And this candlestick, after that, it was followed by actually a hanging man candlestick. You can see on the screen. This hanging man, I'm not talking about the candlestick that is being formed. I'm talking about the hanging man candlestick. You can see on the screen this hanging man candlestick. So we will continue going down. At least we will reach this level of Fibonacci level. Why? You ask yourself why. Why are we continuing going up? Because we have a strong bearish reversals. We have a very big bearish candlestick, and we have a inverted hammer candlestick. You can add them up. First of all, we have a doji candlestick plus another doji candlestick. You can see. Then plus a strong bearish candlestick. Then we have another hangman candlestick. In this case, when you add this candlestick, they are telling you a story that this market wants to reverse. I trade in that way. So when you mix this candlestick, they're telling you that at least the market has to go down for a long period of time. In this case, the market may reach at least this important level of Fibonacci because it's a support area. The market is going to retest at least somewhere around there, or the market could break. But in this case, I believe the market will only retest the level of Fibonacci level. This strategy is the best because you understand the type of candlestick you are trading. In this case, we're trading two doji candlestick plus a strong bearish candlestick, then it's followed by actually a hanging man candlestick. You can see on the screen. So the market will continue going down. This is a reversal strategy, guys. This is a very powerful reversal strategy. So when you see, you must learn this candlestick. You must learn these different types of candlestick like doji, hanging man, shooting star. In this case, we are learning a doji candlestick, which is one of my favorite reversal candlestick. We are learning a very strong bearish candlestick, and we are learning hanging man candlestick. We are learning in this way, and we are learning the importance of candlestick in trading, especially Japanese candlestick. So we're learning the importance of this candlestick in order to help you to become a successful Forex trader. So let's analyze other scenarios that has already happened. We're gonna talk about hammer candlestick. Hammer candlestick is one of the most powerful candlestick. You can see on the screen. This is a hammer candlestick. Actually, it's a red hammer. I'm not talking about the green one. Today I'm going to talk about the red one. You can see the body of this hammer candlestick on the screen. Let me, the body. You can see the body. You can see the body candle of this hammer candlestick is actually a reversal pattern. Today I'm going to talk about only the reversal candle. If I'm going to talk about continuation, I will tell you. So this is a reversal candlestick. It happens when the market, let's say, has sell maybe 2, 3 days or 4 days, actually, or more. So you will see a hammer candlestick emerge to show that it's time for the market to reverse. In this case, this hammer candlestick is showing us that the market, it's time for the market to reverse. It's time for the market to go up. And it did go up, you can see. So, especially on Nasdaq market, hammer candlestick is one of the most powerful candlestick. You need to learn this candlestick. You need to learn how to use this reversal candlestick. Hammer candlestick is the most powerful. So you can see that the market did go up for a long period of time. Let's try another candlestick pattern. This candlestick pattern actually is a morning star. Let me show you what is happening. Let's go again. Yes, it's a morning star pattern. You can see here on the screen. So when you see this type of pattern, you can see we have a very strong bearish candlestick. Strong bearish candlestick. You can see the body After that, you see a doji candlestick, and a ready candlestick. It could be in some case could be green, but in this case, it's a ready candlestick, a doji, a powerful reversal candlestick. You see this type of candlestick, and there is a support area, let's say somewhere around here. So you have to take a buy in this case. So take a buy because the market will reverse. You can see the market did the reverse on the screen. We can see the bullish of Nasdaq, and the market did the reverse for a long period of time. That is how we trade, guys. You need to learn this type of candlestick. This type of candlestick is called the Morningstar candlestick pattern. Let's try another candlestick pattern. You can see on this is Nasdaq market. Actually, I'm gonna go to Forex market. We have another Morningstar candlestick. In this case, it was green doji. You can see on the screen we did have a very green doji, and the body is much more different from the other one. But at the end of the day, this is another type of doji candlestick, and it's actually a reversal pattern. So if you see this type of pattern, you have to buy. It's a buy signal. Let's try another one. Let's go to weekly chart. I did see a shooting star candlestick. On the weekly chart, you can see the market is forming. So you can see on the screen, we have our level of resistance, which is where the market was able to reach. So you can see the body of this candlestick is still green, it's not red, but this is a very powerful reversal pattern, guys. This is a very powerful reversal pattern. So if you see this type of pattern, just know that the market is reversing, the market is turning. Do you understand, guys? So the market is actually turning. So what you need to do, you're gonna go on for our chart, actually a day, to analyze, let's say for entry point, in this case. So at least the pullback from somewhere around here could be a very good entry. Yes, could be a very good entry. We're going to close. We may even break this level. That's why I was on the daily chart, I was saying we may even broke this level. So we will continue at least to somewhere around here. We could even reach here, which is another level of Fibonacci level, strong level of Fibonacci. So this strategy is the best, guys. This candlestick strategy is the best. You can thank us by subscribing to our channel, because we are going to show you one of the most powerful strategy that you can use. So the brokers that I use to trade, actually Nasdaq market, USDT, Forex, is one of the best broker. It's from South Africa. So this broker, you can website of this broker. This is the website. Trading is easy if you are trading with the broker that actually good when it comes to withdrawal. This broker is the best. I don't know whether my internet connection is the best. Minimum deposit is only $50. I'm sponsored by this broker. Vault Market is the best broker. It's actually in South Africa. You can just go to my go back to our MetaTrader. Okay, this is my MetaTrader again. I'm gonna talk about another candlestick, important candlestick pattern that you can use in order to become a successful trader. So I'm gonna talk about actually, let me show you this pattern. Yes, this kind of pattern, guys. This kind of pattern, it does happen to any market, actually. To Nasdaq market, Forex market. It's called a bullish engulfing candlestick. What is bullish engulfing candlestick? Bullish engulfing candlestick is when the red candlestick is smaller than the green candlestick. In other words, I'm saying the green candlestick is bigger than the red candlestick. And you can see this is a very good reversal pattern, actually bullish reversal pattern. It's not, you cannot use this candlestick pattern on a bearish market. On a bearish market, you are going to use bearish engulfing candlestick, but this one is a bullish engulfing candlestick. So you can see that the market did go up. Let's go to bearish engulfing candlestick. This is bearish engulfing candlestick. You can see the red candlestick is bigger than the green candlestick. This is a bearish engulfing candlestick. So when you see this type of pattern, just know that it's a very good reversal pattern, guys. It's a very good reversal pattern. I'm going to talk about one of the most important trading strategies that you can use. These are just candlestick pattern, actually. We're going to talk about position. How to, we're going to, let's say we're going to use this candlestick pattern with candlestick strategy. This candlestick strategy is one of the best. We're going to talk about position strategy. Let's say this is a Nasdaq market from the beginning. This is a Nasdaq market. Let's say you want to hold your trade for more than 2-3 days, guys. Let's say you need that type of strategy. I'm gonna show you this strategy. It's called the position strategy. You're gonna analyze your market. You can see on the screen. I'm gonna make an example with the market that was already moved. So you can see on the screen, guys, we did have a very nice candlestick pattern on our chart. You can see. So I'm gonna end here. It lists from somewhere around here. So position trading or strategy is one of the best, guys. It's one of the best of the best. Let's say you want to hold your trade for more than I don't know, it depends on you as a trader. You want to hold your trade for more than, let's say 2, 3, 4 days, 5 days, 7 days. You can see. So this strategy can help you to hold your position for a long period of time. You can see. So you are going to analyze the market, and you are not going to analyze only one candlestick or maybe 2 candlestick or 3 candlestick. We're gonna analyze all candlestick. Number 1, we have a hammer candlestick. After that, we have another bullish, actually it was a bullish candlestick and bullish hammer, followed by bullish hammer. After that, a strong bullish candlestick. Let's say you want to enter your trade somewhere around here. Then we have a ready candlestick, which means this is an uptrend. The market is telling me that this is an uptrend. We have another doji candlestick. So this is a continuation candlestick. I did my analysis. Then I see that this is a very continuation market. So I'm going to place a buy somewhere around here. Then let's say the market has not been formed. So you place your trade somewhere around here. Then the market continue going up. That is how it is. So that is called position trading strategy. It's called position trading strategy. Let's talk about day trading. So day trading is like scalping. Let's say here you are going to use actually a stop loss, and actually you're gonna use a take profit. It's a very good scalping strategy. This is one of my the strategy that I use in order to become successful trade. You are going to use at least 4-hour chart on position day trading strategy. So let's say I want to sell this market because the market is going to sell, obviously. So you're going to place a sell position somewhere around here. Stop loss is going to be at least this level, somewhere around here. This is a stop loss, or you can place it somewhere around here. It depends on you. Stop loss must be far from your opening position. So I place my trade somewhere around here. I know the market will try to reach at least this level. After reaching, it actually reached this level. You can see the ready candlestick, the last one. You can see. So it did reach here. Let's say I did take a trade. So we will be in profit, obviously. We will continue going down. So take profit will be somewhere around here. So that is scalping, that is day trading. Or it could be somewhere around here to end the day. Let's say I want to end the day. I know that the market is going to be bearish. So it's going to close somewhere around here on our important level of Fibonacci that I talked about in this video. So it's obviously the candlestick is going to close somewhere around here. So in that way, you are telling, you are saying to yourself, I'm going to day trading. That is day trading strategy. Let's talk about fundamental strategy, which is new strategy. First of all, you need this app, guys. My calendar or my FX book. You need this type of app. Actually, it's the best of the best. Can show you important fundamental events or news. So in this case, we did have some fundamental, but they were not strong enough. Medium, they have to stay high in a red box, not medium. So let's check for the important one. You can see the gray color because I cannot use any other app. So for AUDUSD, there was a fundamental which was high. So let's say I want to trade this fundamental news. So I'm gonna go to anything that consists AUDUSD. AUD. Okay. AUDUSD. We choose. You can see this one consists of AUDUSD. The fundamental where it's going to be released. Let's say it's going to be released, let's say right now, but in this case it's going to be released around 2, around 2 in the morning today, which is another day. So let's say the fundamental is going to be released now. I'm going to show you the strategy for fundamental. So how to use this strategy? So this is AUD USD. The event is going to be released. So you need to use pending orders, especially if you don't know which direction the fundamental news or the news is gonna go. So you're gonna use pending orders. So we're gonna go to here. Actually, we're gonna click the plus sign with some book. Yeah. So you're gonna click pending orders. You're gonna use a sell stop and buy stop. So I'm gonna start with actually a buy stop. So you click where they say price, you can see 0000. You just click the plus sign. You are going to plus, let's say it's 400, and the last 3 numbers in this price is 453. So you're going to add 100. Let's say you are going to add 100. Let's add 100. It's going to be 500, obvious. 5. You can see on the screen. So you place your order, which means you place your order. You can see I place another order, which is sell stop. You can see on the screen, this is a sell stop. So you click on the plus sign again where there is price. So you minus, in this case you minus 100. It's going to be 352. You click on plus. There is it. So you're gonna use maybe 5 minutes to analyze your market like this. So let's say the fundamental event is going to be released right now. So what will happen? So what is going to happen? You can see that I have 2 pending orders, which the other one is buy stop, another one is sell stop. So the market will do something like this, will trigger one of these pending orders. The market will be very fast, guys. This is fundamental news. The market is going to be very fast. It's gonna do something like this. After doing something like this, it's gonna go down. Let's say it hits our sell stop. It hits our sell stop. So you have to close one of the one that is not triggered. Let's say in this case, sell stop is triggered. You are going to close buy stop. You're going to close this one. You will be in profit. You will be in a lot of profit. So you close one of buy stop. Sell stop will be in profit. Actually, it's going to be a sell. Actually, when the market hit the sell stop, it's going to be a sell automatically. So you are in profit. There's no need for stop loss here. So you are in profit, you close. If the market, another way around, if the market decided to go up, let's say the market decided to go up, it will trigger the buy stop. Actually, it will trigger the buy stop and continue going up. You have to close the sell stop like that. You have to close the sell stop. After closing the sell stop, and you are left with a buy position. Actually, you are left with a buy position. It's a vice versa of hitting another one. In that case, you will be in profit. You have to close another one very fast. This is how the strategy works. It's called news trading strategy. Let's talk about swing trading. Swing trading is like this. We're gonna go to Nasdaq market. Actually, this is Nasdaq market. You can see on the screen, guys, this is a Nasdaq market. Swing trading works like this, guys. Swing trading is, let's say, for example, it's like this. Let's say you want to leave your trade for more than a year, or maybe 2 years or 3 years. So you're gonna use swing trading. So swing trading works like this. You will hold your position for a long period of time. Let's say I want to hold my position for a long period of time. You're gonna use candlestick patterns to enter your trade. In this case, let's say I'm gonna use a hammer candlestick, because I never talked about hammer. Yes, I did talk about hammer. Let's say I want to use this hammer candlestick. You are going to enter a buy here, because hammer is a reversal pattern. Then after, you will see, you will place another buy around here. That is swing trading. You place another buy here and another one. When the market keep going up, you place another buy. Sorry. You place another buy. You place another buy. In that way, swing trading, you add more trade. You continue adding for more than 3 years. You continue adding. That is swing trading. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, guys. That could really help us. If you want to use another broker, it's called Xness. You want to hold a big trade for a long period of time. There's no swap in this broker. I do use this broker more than other brokers. Xness website. There's no swap. You click on register, you register a trading account. There's no spread, there's no swap. You can see on the screen, they did show us that there's no spread. Actually, the spread is tight and stable. So there's no swap. You can see on the screen. Actually, the last one, they say you can leave your trade for more than days. So there's no swap, there's no commission. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're trading live on YouTube. That could really help us. See, this is Nasdaq market. Let's start analyzing and doing our best analysis. You can see on the screen we do have a very good structure of candlestick, different types of candlestick. You can see them on the screen in front of you, and I will show you the strategy that I use as a reversal strategy. I'm closing some of the trade. This is a real account. I just made 7 KWD right now, and I'll be sitting very well. I'm closing other trade. I'm closing other trade. This is a real account. Traders, we are trading live on YouTube. You can see this is a YouTube channel, and we're trading live, and we really need people to subscribe to our YouTube channel because it really helps us to grow and to be able to let me show you the strategy. Let's start with the strategy. On the screen you can see that I place some of my trade and they are in profit. The strategy involve a candlestick pattern. We can see that the market was failing the day before because we did have a very small candlestick, not powerful candlestick. You can see a doji candlestick, another doji candlestick on the market. Then that is why the market did go down, because you can see even here, you can see that we did have a doji candlestick, another hammer. It was a hammer candlestick, then another doji candlestick. Then the market did go up. Then after that, we did see that the market is coming back down because of this weak candlestick. This weak candlestick was telling us that the market wants to reverse. We can see we did reverse yesterday, and it was a very good trade. So we will come back down. Obviously we will come back down, and we just need a pullback because this is a ready candlestick. It's a strong bearish candlestick, and you can see on the RSI, you can see, because I'm gonna use indicators also, you can see we did have a curve. This was the curve, you can see on the screen. Then we will come back down. So to complete the strategy, you need the levels of Fibonacci levels. Let's draw them. These levels of Fibonacci levels can show you where to enter, where to not enter. In this video, let me use a time frame. The secret is that you need to use bigger time frame. Don't use smaller time frame, use bigger time frame. So that is the secret. I'm going to show you how to draw these levels of Fibonacci levels, how to use them to your own advantage, because that can help you in order to understand what you will be doing. We will start on 0 because it's very important. The market was going up, so we will start on 0. So I'm gonna come back down. I'm gonna come back down. I'm gonna come back down again. The last level, which is 423. Okay. Yes. We did manage to draw our levels of Fibonacci levels. So the levels of Fibonacci levels on a weekly chart are showing us that we really need to come back at least down on this market in order to complete our monthly chart. So we need to come back down. So we will come back down. We will at least have, because this is a bearish candlestick or a bear candlestick, so we will need at least a pullback to somewhere around here. Then we will pull back down. This is how the strategy works. We pull back down. At least we will reach one of the levels of Fibonacci, which is this one. Okay, there's a level of Fibonacci here. This level of Fibonacci can act as a support and resistance, are very much important levels of Fibonacci. Let's go to weekly. So on weekly, this is the level that you will be looking for. Let's check again. So this is where the market will reach after selling, because we are seeing sellers that are in control right now. So the market will try to reach at least this level, guys. At least this level. After reaching that level, the market will reverse from that level and go back up. So that is what is going to happen. We will retest the level. You can see the moving average. The secret about the moving average is that the moving average can work as a support and resistance level. In this case, the moving average is going to act as actually a support level. So this can help us in order to understand what we really doing. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're trading live on YouTube right now. So we really appreciate that. It's in the morning. I closed some of my trade. You can see I was able to make 11 KWD. You can see on the screen, and we are in a very big profit. We are doing very well. You can see on the thumbnail I wrote that we started with 5 KWD. That was real, and we managed to make 130 KWD, guys. That is a great achievement, and that is a great strategy, because the strategy that we are using is not a joke. It's a working strategy. It's supported by the market himself. So the market does support our strategy. So that's why we are able to make money each and every day. So right now the market won't go up, obviously, because this is a bearish candlestick, and this is a bearish candlestick. You can see how this candlestick was closed. So we just need a pullback. If I get a pullback or I get something like from here, I'm going to place at least a lot of sell. So I'll close some of sales here. So let me close, because I'm looking for good opportunities. I'll be looking for good opportunities. I'm closing some of the trade. When I get my pullback, I can even place a pending order. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, guys. Really appreciate that. The broker's name can go on my YouTube channel. On my YouTube channel, right. This is the website. On the website, just click on register, or just try a free demo account, but you can register and try a free demo account. So withdrawal are done within a day, eventually. So you withdraw today, you get your money today. Then you can see on the screen that there's no swap. I've been holding this trade for a long period of time. So there's no swap, there's no such a thing as swap in this broker. You can see no swap, nothing, zero. So when you are trading Nasdaq or any type of market, no swap. No need to worry about a commission or anything. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're trading live. We're growing a small account in front of you, which is what other traders are not able to show you. We're growing small account, and I show you how we grow this small account. Please subscribe. Please subscribe. Let's push. I'm closing my trade, guys. Very important because I want to place a sell there. I want to trade another, to take another trade for today. That is how we trade. We scalp. We really appreciate you by clicking on the like button. This is really trading. It's not fake. Just for like. We're not doing this for likes. We're doing this because we want to show people around the world that trading is real. You can make money. You can grow a small account into big accounts. And we really appreciate you for subscribing to our YouTube channel. We're closing some trade. You can hear the sound. We are losing some trade. We're not here to play. Okay, the profit is good. The profit is good. So I'm gonna wait for the pullback. I'm going to take other trade. You can see we are pulling back up. As our strategy is telling us. So we need a pullback. Then from that level, we will come back down at least to this level. This level of Fibonacci. This is a level of Fibonacci. It's a good level of Fibonacci. I did show how to use the level of Fibonacci on this video in front of you. So everything was in front of you. This is the level of Fibonacci that I used from the beginning of the video. So we will reach at least that level, bounce back, then we will come back up, just like that. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're trading live on YouTube. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. We really appreciate that by clicking on the subscribe button. We really appreciate that. This is a normal video. We're trading live. This is profit. If you don't trust me, watch other video. If you don't trust me, that I started with 5K WD. I was trading from the beginning with 5K WD until now. And the account was able to grow to 141 KWD. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. We really appreciate it. On my YouTube channel, click here to have access to one of the most reliable broker. Number one is XM. You can start trading with just $5 and you can make a lot of money with this broker. You can trade Nasdaq, you can trade Bitcoin, you can trade currency pairs, all currency pairs. Number two, we have IFX. You can start trading with a small amount of money, like 20 rand, and you can make a lot of money with this broker. The links for the brokers are on my YouTube channel. You just have to click and follow the link on my YouTube channel. Click here to have access to one of the most reliable broker. Number one is XM. You can start trading with just $5 and you can make a lot of money with this broker. You can trade Nasdaq, you can trade Bitcoin, you can trade currency pairs, all currency pairs. Number two, we have IFX. You can start trading with a small amount of money, like 20 rand, and you can make a lot of money with this broker. The links for the brokers are on my YouTube channel. You just have to click and follow the link. The market is going to reach somewhere around here, and we can see that we have a very good signal for going down. So we need to cover this gap. There's a gap here. I don't think the market will go up. The main strategy that you can use is by following the trend. This is a real account, and I have just added more than 5 trade right now. You can see that I'm following the trend. I'm doing what I'm telling you to do. Always follow the trend. On my YouTube channel, click here to have access to one of the most reliable broker. Number one is XM. You can start trading with just $5 and you can make a lot of money with this broker. You can trade in Nasdaq, you can trade Bitcoin, you can trade currency pairs, all currency pairs. Number two, we have IFX. You can start trading with a small amount of money, like 20 rand, and you can make a lot of money with this broker. The links for the brokers are on my YouTube channel. You just have to click and follow the link. One of the so trading, the best of the best, best analysis. Can see that the market is going up for a long period of time, so you just have to place a buy, follow the trend. On my YouTube channel, click here to have access to one of the most reliable broker. Number one is XM. You can start trading with just $5 and you can make a lot of money with this broker. You can trade in Nasdaq, you can trade Bitcoin, you can trade currency pairs, all currency pairs. Number two, we have IFX. You can start trading with a small amount of money, like 20 rand, and you can make a lot of money with this broker. The links for the brokers are on my YouTube channel. You just have to click and follow the link. On my YouTube channel, click here to have access to one of the most reliable broker. Number one is XM. You can start trading with just $5 and you can make a lot of money with this broker. You can trade in Nasdaq, you can trade Bitcoin, you can trade currency pairs, all currency pairs. Number two, we have IFX. You can start trading with a small amount of money, like 20 rand, and you can make a lot of money with this broker. The links for the brokers are on my YouTube channel. You just have to click and follow the link. One of the on my YouTube channel, click here to have access to one of the most reliable broker. Number one is XM. You can start trading with just $5 and you can make a lot of money with this broker. You can trade in Nasdaq, you can trade Bitcoin, you can trade currency pairs, all currency pairs. Number two, we have IFX. You can start trading with a small amount of money, like 20 rand, and you can make a lot of money with this broker. The links for the brokers are on my YouTube channel. You just have to click and follow the link. On my YouTube channel, click here. You will see one of the most reliable broker is link. For example, we have XM, the best of the best. This XM broker can start trading Nasdaq with just $5. Number two, we have IFX, South African broker. You can trade as little as 20 rand. All the links are on my YouTube channel. Right now, we're seeing that gold is still bullish. And this is a very good bullish structure, but we are seeing that we are we're doing very well, guys. You can see here. Right now, I'm just waiting for the market to come back down, but the market may reverse because we have a reversal patterns. You can see on the screen we did have a type of shooting star. After that, we have a very big bearish engulfing candlestick. So the market, any pullback from the moving average could be a potential selling opportunity. I think target will be somewhere around here, and this is going to be a very good target for the market in the future. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel. We make videos like this. We are on YouTube. Click the subscribe button and we are going to show you one of the most powerful strategy that you can use in order to become a successful trader. Especially if you are new into trading, you want to become a successful trader, we're going to show you everything that you need to know to become a successful trader. And I'm going to show you one of the most powerful strategy that I've discovered when in my years of trading, because I've been trading for years and years, and I'm going to show you everything that you need to know. And this is a very good structure. We did pull back a little bit. I think we will try to pull back to this level. This level could be a potential target right now. So we need to pull back more. If you want to use the same broker to trade gold, the link will be on the description of this video or on my YouTube channel. Let's subscribe. On my YouTube channel, click here. You will see one of the most reliable broker is link. For example, we have XM, the best of the best. This XM broker can start trading Nasdaq with just $5. Number two, we have IFX, South African broker. You can trade as little as 20 rand. All the links are on my YouTube channel. Nasdaq forecast for 24, which is tomorrow. So we are still bullish. You can see that the market will go up. I think the market will go up for more. And today we did have a very good structure, a very good candlestick. This candlestick, if it closes somewhere around here, then the market will pull back to the next support level or somewhere around here. After a pullback, then the market will go up. I believe that the market will try to touch the moving average. After touching the moving average, we could see another sell off of the market, or the market will continue going up for a long period of time. Something like that is very possible, but I think we are still bullish and we will continue to be bullish. Nothing is going to change for Nasdaq market. Let's check gold. Gold is doing very well. It seems like we did sell yesterday. So if I check the monthly chart, we are still bullish. So you have to look for buying opportunity. So somewhere around here could be a very good opportunity to place your trade. It was already a very good trade because you can see that we have a pull. You can see how this candlestick has been formed. So if the market come back down, somewhere around here is going to be a very interesting level, because this important level there. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. We make videos on how to analyze Nasdaq market, including other markets, here on YouTube channel. And if you want to use the same broker, the link will be on the description of this video or on my YouTube channel. A 4-hour chart with this strategy, because this strategy is the best of the best. The best of the best. Let's use 4-hour chart. I'm trying to. On my YouTube channel, click here. You will see one of the most reliable broker is link. For example, we have XM, the best of the best. This XM broker can start trading Nasdaq with just $5. Number two, we have IFX, South African broker. You can trade as little as 20 rand. All the links are on my YouTube channel. On my YouTube channel, click here. You will see one of the most reliable broker is link. For example, we have XM, the best of the best. This XM broker, you can start trading Nasdaq with just $5. Number two, we have IFX, South African broker. You can trade as little as 20 Rand. All the links are on my YouTube channel. Trading Forex mistake, part 7. I think we're gonna talk about the trend. Here we're going to talk about the trend. Trend is your friend. Always to follow the trend. In this case, we see a sell signal on a weekly chart. This is a sell signal. It's a doji candlestick. We just have to find maybe a pullback. After finding a pullback, maybe the market will close somewhere around here. After market closing somewhere around here, then we will go up again. So always follow the trend. When the market is going up from that level, follow the trend. In this video, the lesson is follow the trend. The trend is your friend. Always don't be that type of trader who doesn't follow the trend. If you see, for example, on indices, if you see a small pullback, just know that the market will buy after that. It's easy as that. And always analyze your candlestick. Know how to read the candlestick. I'm going to make one of the best videos on how to read candlestick, each and every candlestick here on YouTube. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you want to use the same broker that I'm using. It's at the description of this video. Thank you for watching. Each episode of the video, this is episode number 46 of the video. So each and every episode that I make has information that could help you to become a better trader. So check each and every episode. So here today we are going to talk about a monthly candlestick, how they work, how you can be able to place good trade there. So let's get into business. What you need to know is to analyze each and every candlestick using candlestick. This is a bullish candlestick, bullish Ngofi, the Ngofi candlestick. This is an Ngofi candlestick. You can see the market is going up after this Ngofi candlestick. So we can expect the market to continue. This candles, the last candlesticks shows buyers are more interested. I think I have seen a lot of rejection. I think this market will just go up because we are still, it's just like we are still, today is the 9th, so we still have more than 4 or 5, 3 weeks. I think we have 3 weeks. So this market has potential to go up. So we will see how this market behaves. I placed my trade here today. It was today. So I'm doing very well. So yeah, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Of course, if you like my video, if you want to use the broker that I'm using, the link is at the description of this video. Simple strategies. That is what we provide. Doing withdrawal. I'm withdrawing 2,203 from this broker. It's a nice broker. Please check it in the description of this video or on the comment section. This is a very nice broker. I just made, I deposited 200, then I made more than 2,200 and something. So I'm doing my withdrawal here. So I cannot show you
the full process, but you can see here, this is the money that I'm going to withdraw. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow my Facebook page. Yes, I would like to see you on the next video. I am a trader. This is what we do. Today is Thursday. This is what we do.
Cooking one of the most my favorite meal. Cooking one of the most my favorite meal.
Doing with each episode of the video. This is episode number 46 of the video. So each and every episode that I make,